My hairless cats leak oil everywhere, so today we're going to be giving them a bath. I paid £50 to wash my bedding 2 days ago, and I'm not even joking. Just from letting them wander around my bed, they left these little oil marks everywhere. And if I'm honest, the oil is getting worse. And this is their little bed after 2 days as well. This is literally just pure oil that leaks out of their skin, and this is white. Anyway, first up is Twiglet, because she's the dirtiest. Anyway, let's run a lukewarm pool of water. Okay, I added some bubbles to the water, but I am going to be using the shower. But just take note of how clear the water is now and how dirty it will be after. In you go, Twiglet. Please don't be mad. Good girl. Okay, now we're going to wet her fur and then we're going to scrub it with soap. Okay, I've got some soap on my glove and now we're going to go in and just massage her skin very gently. Okay guys, now Twiglet is all clean and look how dirty the water is. See you at part 2.